Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you want to create designs that stand out from the crowd, then you might want to design something from scratch. And for that, Photoshop is a better tool than Canva. Looking to improve your design skills?
Let's help you make your mark.
Canva does not replace graphic designers and agencies. However, some designers dislike Canva and similar tools on the market like Pablo, for a number of reasons. Some express concerns that it's harming the graphic design industry. Some feel that the designs output by Canva are too homogenized and samey.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you are a small business, entrepreneur, blogger or freelancer who is looking for a cost-effective, professional, and easy-to-use platform for your designs, then yes. It is 100% worth it to pay for the pro version of Canva.
Take our lead.
But it's not for professional use. Using Canva templates on university social media cheapens your brand. If you are creating a logo for your business in Canva and not hiring a graphic designer for this, well, you're starting off with a really terrible decision.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.